So in this video, I want to show you how to pronounce them like a native with the most common verbs in English. This is again a pronunciation video, so pause, listen, repeat, and training all the time to really get that native speaker accent. Ready? So very similar again, the same group, they never take to. Now some of the verbs are a little difficult to pronounce in the past, so listen and repeat slowly with me. Watched them, watched them, watched them. Followed them, followed them. Included them, included them. Understood them, understood them. Remembered them, remembered them. Reminded them, reminded them. Let them, let them. Paid them, paid them. Believed, believed them, believed them. Now, as you remember, we've got to listen to talk to speak to, and to explain to. The four big verbs that always take to. The other three are to say to apologize to, and to write to. So, said to them, said to them. Apologized to them, apologized to them. Wrote to them, wrote to them. Okay? Now we have the verb and object pronoun, as in took them, brought them, etc. Took them, took them. Brought them, brought them. Offered them, offered them. Taught them, taught them. Always listening and repeating and participating with the content, okay? So the verb and object and to is when this same verbs will take to. Took it to them, took it to them. Brought it to them, brought it to them. Offered it to them, offered it to them. Offered it to them, all right? So this ends our short, snappy, easy video pronunciation. Join me in the next and the last video in this module about how to use them with little prepositions and conjunctions and normal little expressions to show you what happens when we speak very quickly. See you there.